1 bar of fuel.
Right then.
Oh my word. God, we are some boys. Right, morning guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see from the way I am dressed today, we are going moving sheep. It's like an unwritten rule that you have to be in green waterproofs whenever you're handling sheep. So I have dressed the part and we will go and handle some sheep. John's just doing some fabrication to the back of the sheep decks so they're running tickety-boo. You would have seen us fitting the decks a little bit earlier on. And then the next jobs will be to fit this ramp back in and then go and gather up the sheep that we want to move. And I'll sort of tell you what we're doing and why we're doing it when we get that far. So what should happen is when you pull this cable, those springs retract.
And those are different springs of this.
Yeah, this spring looks well used. And I suspect he's catching it a minute on the well.
I think he's catching on that nut. It's all a bit rough.
A bit farmerish.
Very farmerish. It'll do.
Good as new.
Might have to
use it a few times.
tap it in a bit, but it's better too tight than too slack.
If you say so. I'm in and about the groove.
Right.
Oh!
Yours is in?
Yeah. Yours needs a bit of tappy tappy.
It does.
Hey!
Right, now then, if you drop them down, you should. That should then all come down with it.
Oh, look at that!
Like that.
And then I can even reach in and rescue the camera. That's never worked so good. Well, it might have done when it was new.
When it was new.
Yeah. Right, up he comes.
Wow.
Do that, old body there. Oh, John.
There we go.
Well, not all heroes wear capes. Somewhere highly flammable, high vis.
Yeah. God, it's warm in the sun now, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it? Yeah. 1 bar of fuel. It's called petrol light roulette, this is. Let's go find some sheep. I've had to rope in the big guns today. This year is turning into a bit of a joke weather-wise. This is 30th of March today. And it's probably the 30th consecutive day of March we've had blimmin' rain. It's just crap. Right, so there's 2 groups of sheep here, some Charolais and some, I think they're science hogs they're called. So we'll have to draft them and split them in a minute. And then we're going to take them to some off-ground so that the grass is available back here for ewes and lambs to go out to. Charolais have got lambs at foot because they lamb early on. It's all part of some plan to breed rams every year, but not really sure it works. And the science hogs are here for like feed intake trials or whatever anybody wants to do with them. So yeah, after dinner we will split them back into their 2 different groups and take them away to the off-ground. Hey, hey, hey! Ho! Yeah, that was silly, wasn't it? You push them through to there?
Yeah, because everything get up to this.
Right, we seem to have separated our 2 groups. We've got 30 hogs there and all the pedigree Charolais over there. So according to our numbers, we've got 1 too many in that group and 1 too few in there. So Mr. Jones, the voice of reason, is coming up to see if we can find which one it is. But we can't seem to see an obvious one that shouldn't be with that group. So see what this man says. According to AgriWeb, there's 31 hogs.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Could be.
There's 30 in there, and there's 1 too many in that group, but we can't decide which one of that group belongs in this group.
I see. That's a tricky one.
Nothing really stands out.
Correspond wobbling your penis, but you know, still get the kicks while I can.
Hey, James.
Right, that makes that easy. Oh, this is fabulous, John. Oh.
There we go.
Yeah. I don't know how the magic works with this thing. Well, jump on it?
Yeah, go for it. Right on. Right in.
Oh my word.
And then the fish over there.
That goes round there.
I'll get in and open the door.
30.
Oh, they're pissing!
Oh, no, aren't you?
They're pissing above! This is why people that work with sheep always stink.
You should try working with people who work with pigs.
Oh dear. Right, so we've got Charolais on the top and t'others is coming on bottom. Be like market drovers. Turn out 15 exactly.
When am I having my fryer?
Yeah. Where's my long coat and stick? Come on, sheeps. Oh, John.
Is that 14?
No, 15. You've done this before. No, no! Thank you, Andy. Right, we are loaded, ready to go. It's always nicer in the sun, John.
Isn't it? It's quite warm.
It is warm. Windows down, system up. That's the M&M one said. Like and subscribe. Once we've dropped these off, we come back and we've got another group to get in that we just want to put on a field very close to the yard here, because in the morning they're going off to market. John's just grabbing his dogs. Can't see him in the back. But yeah, we're trying to set it all up so that tomorrow morning John can take those to market. These are off out the way, so any ewes and lambs they have, got grass to go to. First part complete. Go on, sheep, look, grass. There's some grass for a while. Missed the camera?
Missed the camera.
The only people brave enough to try that.
Go for it.
I might be able to open the gate from.
Yeah, I think you probably can.
What's that? Right, these guys have got lovely field of grass. That's very pointy, that hollow there. Look at that, they'll be well happy. Well happy. Look at the grass they got.
Best grass on the farm, isn't it?
Alright, let's make like a tree. And leaf.
Hey.
Hey. Doing some reversing here. Yeah, keep coming. Keep coming, you're all right. Ah, yes, excellent work, Jonathan. Oh, he's moving. I better way pull this gate shut. Oh! Knocked the camera all wonky.
Is that normal?
Yeah, I think so. That was some good reversing, John.
Well, I had visions of blocking the road And being jammed?
Yes.
I thought that's not what I want to happen.
No. We are now back home. Sheep successfully moved. We got one more group to shift, but they're just shifting around here at home. We do have to bring them up the road, so me and the Grice will go and stand in the road. John's just going to jump on the quad bike and go and bring them up to a gate, and then we're going to put them in a paddock right behind our handling system, because tomorrow morning they are going off to market. So that is the plan now. We're still playing petrol roulette because I can't be bothered to fill this thing up with fuel. Any metal in here? Yeah, a little bit there. Look at this, all bloody, all plastic. So yeah, we'll go and move some more sheep. Come on, sheeps. Been hanging around too long, you lot. Lovely work.
Word of advice.
Yeah.
Don't drive flat out into the puddle, into the wind. I think we're right down to my pants.
Oh, lovely. We'll start the bidding in the comments for John's pants. Anyone want to start us off? Bye-bye. What's going on here then, Kel? Oh. He'll find his way back. Hello, calves. How do I use windscreen wipers in this thing? That one? I'll tell you what, me and Bowman make some shepherds. All your sheep movement needs. JM and Jb Livestock Services. I'm just locking up the shed. John's going to take those lambs we moved last there into market in the morning, and they are gone, so that'll be 30 less to worry about. That's all of last year's lambs off the farm then. That'll be good riddance to them. Craig's been busy cleaning out the science sheep shed so that we can then run the farm sheep down to it either tomorrow or on Monday, just because the facilities are a bit better down there for lambing. There's a bit more space, so that'll make things a bit easier for team sheep. Omen's just coming up. I don't know if you can see him right down there with a Manitou. Coming with a bale of silage to feed a couple cows, and then we'll push in and then it'll be time to go home. It's amazing how time flies when you're having fun. But thank you very much for watching today's video. If you've liked it, then please give it a thumbs up. Sort of a thumbs up then. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Loads of links in the description if you want to go down there and follow any of my other social media platforms. There's also a link to merch if you want any of that. That's all down there. And yeah, we'll see you on another video very soon. Cheerio.